MeghalayaPost.news.
Ka St. Alfred Secondary School napo Marngar mentaka singi kalayo bandrakno ya kanam Lahduh kawai ke school ke wilayah Bankur bun teli kijing job ka Lympung Ialehkai sports bala pelong daka Ophis u district sports officer dari Bhoi bala tip ka district level inter school athletic meet aja arpsan bala pelong hamadan pams iem nongpo ka St. Alfred Secondary School Marngar kalayo bandra ya kanam Lahduh hadin bakalayo Bankur haduk hendai teli ki trophy bakontup naduk ke best team best athlete haki kerdan beper bat kita kema nadu bala sedang ya kate Lympung Ialehkai sport bala penah perdano mentaka sengi ya kane Lympung Ialehkai sports kepala sengi di kena school nari Bhoi district lawan penah perda u deputy commissioner kari Bhoi u Abilash Baranwal kumukongsan baru additional SP kari Bhoi u Naman Kumar kumusmur kongsan ha kajinga don langru u district sports officer u Bak Bobby L Nongbet lemat kwi ki officer
number 301 and Priyanka Mani of Nong.
It is an extremely proud moment for me to be standing amongst all of you here in the closing ceremony of what has been an extremely successful district level inter-school athletic meet 2025. So for that, I wholeheartedly congratulate our district sports officer Bobby and his entire team for having an extremely meticulously planned and flawlessly executed event. So Bobby, many congratulations. Simultaneously, I've not really witnessed the entire event, but the only event that I could witness the kind of rivalry and the competition and the zeal with which the children have participated, that is also displayed in the numbers who have gathered here. So I congratulate everyone and anyone and everyone who have been a part of this Athletic Meet 2025 for the enthusiasm, for the zeal and for the determination that you have shown in participating in this meet. I would not like to take much time. You guys are waiting for the prize distribution, but the only thing that I would want to say from the platform that I have been given is that sports is something that you should not leave when you have left the school, because it will enable you to become a better person, better citizen. So that's the only request that I would like to make. Consider me as your elder brother. From what I have learned is that through sports, you will build your character. Through sports, you will not only take care of your fitness, but simultaneously through sports, if you are good, if you are hardworking, the kind of opportunities that will open up for you is absolutely amazing. For example, we have the Lincoln Christian Higher Secondary School whose students have gone to France for participating in the Indo-French football tournament, who have won the Subrato Cup, which is an international football event. So that could only be possible because of sports. So sports is something that you should take seriously, even though it's a fun thing to do, but simultaneously it should be pursued with all the seriousness. And as I said, it's not something that you will leave at the door of your school when you will graduate from your school. It's something that you should pursue for life. It will give you character, it will enable you to become a smart, disciplined citizen of the state and the country, the one that this country deserves and look forward to.
MeghalayaPost.news.